energy definition, energy in a sentence, energy pronunciation, energy meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of energy. Energy. N-er-G. Energy. Energy as a noun means the power from something such as electricity or oil that can do work, such as providing light and heat, or the power and ability to be physically and mentally active. Common usages in academic writing: high energy levels, nuclear energy, renewable energy, the energy requirements. Example sentence, energy, noun, renewable energy technology continues to increase in accessibility. Example sentence number 2, they spent a lot of time and energy on the grant proposal. The common academic writing variation is energetic, adjective. An energetic oxidizing agent was needed to complete the manufacturing process. Please write a sentence using energy in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know energy's pronunciation, energy's meaning, and how to use energy in a sentence. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.